Happy Monday. Cloudy day. Just lots of birds. There's a cardinal. Female cardinal perched on. There he is. I mean, I've heard people say things like, oh, you know, have you gone any further than your own backyard? And I do. Anyone that follows the channel knows that I do. But sometimes it's just nice to have everything in your own backyard. Don't go. All right. You're eating the seed I dropped there for you yesterday in the freezing rain. And now today it's like 52 degrees. Not freezing. You gonna come down to the dock? Hi, Mama. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh, it's wet. I should have worn my, I should have worn my wellies. I wore my sluggers. My clogsters. That's what they're called. Yeah. Come on, guys. They're so cute. I almost walked right into the water. All right. How you doing? How's it going? Mom and Dad Mallard. There you go. I know I haven't been down here in a while. There you go. It's funny how you know, no science behind this, but I'm wearing a baseball cap. It's funny how different they react to me when I'm wearing a baseball cap. I think they think it's a bill. I don't know. I'm just a weirdo. Hi. Hello there. How are you? How are you? You want some birdseed too? So pretty. It's a little colder than I thought. Windier down here at the dock. Look at how pretty it looks in the green tree. I can't see. Can you see? I can't see. There he is. So pretty. Oh yeah. Hello. It's hard to stay still and take a picture. Camera doesn't do him justice. Sorry, I had my glasses in my teeth. He's so pretty. Camera just doesn't do the color of him justice. It's scarlet red. Oh, it's cold. So, yeah, I have trying to heal my wrist right now. I have tendonitis, and it's taking forever to go away, and my wrist is super swollen. I got a bandage on it right now. And gotta watch the girls Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week, which is awesome. I just have to try to heal my wrist before I start picking that baby up. Hello, hello, you can come back. There's plenty of birdseed for everybody. Oh. You know, it's really funny. There's my little Susanisms here. I don't know about anybody else, but I've always loved animals, but I didn't really start appreciating all animals Well, two factors. Almost dying twice, kind of, you know, gives you a new perspective on life. And I don't know, I feel like people over 50, like in general, start appreciating, you know, what's around them a little bit more. I mean, and that could be just a generalization. I'm not the smartest person on the planet. I'm, you know, I am educated, but I'm not the smartest by any means. Certainly not the dumbest. Just don't make the best choices sometimes. But anyway, my babbling going on here. I just see a lot more people my age, and maybe that's because they're my peers, post a lot more nature stuff and appreciation for nature. And I think that's pretty cool. Alright, my hands are freezing. I do have gloves, but I'm gonna, there's a cold coming in here. So I'm gonna call it a day. Got my ducks there, birdseed. I'll go fill up the bird feeder too.